Remember that weedy mess I showed you? Well, watch what it turned into.
It's a story we live.
So the garden I have is not elaborate. I have about, I would say, 20 by 30 little garden bed that I created just to get started because I don't have a green thumb at all. I definitely need some help in this area, but you know, we do what we can. But I'm excited because I always get like cucumbers, tomatoes for sure. I'm starting to get decent at lettuce this year. This is like my third year with this garden. This year I did the black cloth. I don't know if you could see it, but definitely helped out. So you think this looks bad, but it actually does not look that bad. I'm actually able to hone in on the weeds. I don't pick the weeds as much as I should. I got huge zucchinis. I'll show you zucchini. So we're going to get picking, put it all in my basket. Those are cucumber plants. So I got zucchini, this baby watermelon. Every time I try to grow watermelon, it just goes this small. And I picked these because when I try to let it wait till they go red or orange, whatever color, a more ripe color, I start to see this. So I already threw away a couple. Look at this. I'm leaving it on the ground just because it keeps this one off the ground, although I don't think they should be touching. But it was supposed to be Park's Whopper improved tomato, whatever that is. I usually like the little small ones. At least they stay on the branch, although I just knocked that down. And then I look for, you know, I did my garden late this year and I don't have a green thumb, but I get to pick. I love cucumbers. I'm usually good with cucumbers, but this year I didn't plant from seeds. I planted from plants that I got from Tractor Supply. So I saw another one. I also, this year was the first time I put this black cloth down to try to help because I just don't have time to weed, as you can see. But I got some baby peppers coming through. I'm excited about this, which I'm going to pick my lettuce because I'm usually not good with lettuce either. Oop, there we go, right in my face. Overgrown weeds. And then in here, look, see, but it's so small. Oh my goodness. And this is asparagus. I don't even know how to pick asparagus. I guess it's down there in the dirt. I have no idea. I'm gonna figure it out. Ooh, look at this watermelon. Ooh, I'm just stepping on something. A watermelon. See that? Ooh, here's one. I don't want it to rot now. I'm gonna take it. I don't know if it's this hard. Maybe it's not good for taking. I should pick this. I just don't want to pick it and then don't eat it. You know what? I'm gonna pick it because it's so big and good. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna make a salad today and eat this. With these tomatoes and cucumbers. No watermelon. Alrighty. All right, guys, I am going to make a power salad today. But before I do that, I want you to take a look. I told you I was going to show you my zucchini. Well, these are the ones we picked in the garden. Very small pieces, very, not small. These are good sized zucchinis, but take a look at these bad boys. Woohoo! Look how big the zucchini is compared to this one. They're huge. Coming out of that little garden for a person who really doesn't know what she's doing. This is good stuff, and we love this zucchini. Got 2 of these big boys, 2 of them. So, shows you. All right, come on, let's compare sizes. Let's compare. Boy, I can lift weights with these things. Ooh, this one's heavy. Anyway, that's the zucchini. All right, it's the same video. I just went and got my glasses. Actually, I have meta glasses so I can record so that you guys can also see what I'm doing here. I like to just break my lettuce up, like this type of lettuce. No need to cut it up. Just break it up. All right, so I'm going to slice up my tomatoes. I slice them up right in my salad. I love tomatoes, especially fresh ones from the garden. This is a little piece. That's my trash can. So let's see what this looks like inside. Ooh, delish. Put a little different color to it. Listen, this is how I like to just slice up my tomatoes, you know? People do it their own way. And it's fine. Don't criticize. I think this is still good, but I'm just gonna take a taste. Delicious. All right, so I'm also gonna, guys, I'm eating my salad, so don't talk about my hair hanging in the salad, okay? So I like to do a little bit of peeling off. It doesn't have to be 100% because I hear that the outside is good for you, but I peel mine off. This is one of the big cucumbers that I got from my garden this year. I used to get a lot of big ones, but this, in previous years, they always were big. This year was just a problem with cucumbers, man. They weren't as good and as plentiful or bountiful as my harvests have been in the past. This is mine. I am going to take one of my banana peppers. I'll take the small one. Wash it. Warm water. I do like banana pepper. I just start to like a lot of fresh veggies. Start to get accustomed to it. All right, so this is the gist of my salad. I also get this cheese, paleo string cheese, just to throw some cheese in there without it being like super bad cheese. So I also got some cherries. I like to put some cherries on. I like to put a little bit of fruit. Sometimes I use raisins. I think raisins are pretty good. Dried raisins, just to give it a little sweetness. Not a lot, because I don't need it. And then I have some Sun-Kissed herb and garlic tuna that I want to put on. So I have this that I put on the top of my salad. And it goes in the garbage. All right, so now for health benefits, I add turmeric on top. A little turmeric for me. Then to activate the turmeric for healthy digestion, I add some pepper. I like to use a little sea salt. Now that is not necessary. I just like the way it tastes. And then I'm gonna get some Trilogy whole health seeds. So it's flax, chai, and hemp. And I sprinkle that on. This one got bigger hole. So you see what I have here. Perfect, perfect. And then I do extra virgin olive oil. And with that, I do my balsamic vinaigrette. And guys, this is my salad. Delicious. I make it all the time, so I already know what it tastes like, but just so you know. Now this is a huge salad, but I usually make it maybe a little smaller. But anyway, this is it, guys. I hope you enjoy or try. It's just mixing all these different flavors in there. Get a cherry, a little bit of cheese, a little bit of tuna, tomato. Mostly from my garden. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching Farm Life Diaries, Urban Fusion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
From the block to the barn, we make it all.